my skin has lately been feeling very dry and feels like it lacks moisture, and I have been regularly applying aloe vera gel, rose water, but my skin acts up at times. So I'm here with a very simple scrub recipe that will help exfoliate your skin naturally. So there are only 3 ingredients you need for this face scrub, because you all know I'm very lazy. First is a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So what we're gonna do is add the
So now that it looks perfect, let's start applying this. So like the
sugar granules should be there. If you like dissolve them completely, then there's no point of exfoliating because hoga nahi. Just take a little bit of it on your hand. So the sugar granules exfoliate your skin very naturally and without being like too harsh. The lemon helps fight with tan, and it has a lot of other properties as well. And coconut oil helps giving the lost moisture to our skin. So we're gonna do this for a couple of minutes, like say 3 to 4 minutes. Can you see the sugar granules and oil here? So now I'm going to quickly go and wash my face with cold water. So I am back after washing my face, and this is what my face looks like. It feels much clearer, much softer, very supple. You can see the difference for yourself, right? So this is a very easy 3 ingredient scrub for your face. You can use it twice in a week or thrice in a week depending on how your skin type is.